I understand the weight of despair and the feeling of bankruptcy you may be facing right now. We all go through it at some point. I personally experience this anguish, but I would like to share something fundamental I discovered during my current journey, enjoying happiness, comfort, and, most significantly, financial freedom. This transformation was possible when I uncovered the truth about money that elitists, governments, questionable sectors, as well as dishonest bankers want you to believe. These lies keep most people trapped in the darkness of poverty. Understanding the truth is a powerful weapon, and it's time to unravel these deceptions that perpetuate the cycle of lack and scarcity. Throughout this journey, I will reveal the secrets that can set you free from financial bondage and guide you on a path to prosperity. Together, we will explore the terrain of hidden truths about money and chart a new course toward your financial independence. Let's begin this journey now. The first trap that keeps us in poverty is the belief that security lies in having a secure job. We are constantly led to believe that we desperately need this crutch called a job. I remember the wise advice of my rich dad when he was young and naively believed that school was the path to a secure job. On the other hand, my rich dad challenged this distorted view of reality. He worked hard at various jobs, sweating it out, but never managed to break free from the chains that ironically held him. Work became a prison, suffocating his hopes of success. The promise of a secure job was a cruel trap, but my rich dad saw beyond the curtains of illusion. He never gave in to that farce, rejecting labor convention. While many were stuck in jobs for others, he built his own empire instead of being squeezed by high taxes, navigating tax laws like a master strategist, accumulating wealth while others stumbled. My poor dad, like so many, was molded from birth to be just another cog in the machine. Yet my rich dad rebelled against the status quo. Raised as an entrepreneur, he knew that true power lies in making money work for him, not the other way around. The tragedy is revealed clearly. A society trapped in the snare of illusory security, while few have the courage to defy the default destiny. Each chooses whether they will be the protagonist or just a supporting character in this relentless narrative. The second trap that ensnares us is the belief that the secret to success is working tirelessly. My poor dad dedicated his entire life with hard work. He went to school because it was expected, sought a job because he was told it was the right path, and worked hard because he believed it was what should be done. However, his financial struggle persisted over the years, sometimes robbing him of joy. My rich dad, on the other hand, insisted that instead of simply working hard, we should work smartly. It's not just about getting others to work for you, but motivating people to dedicate their efforts to your benefit. It also involves making money work for you. As Warren Buffett wisely said, take what you know and the money will follow. It's time to end the illusion that success is synonymous with exhaustive effort. True triumph lies in channeling our energy intelligently, not only in our work but also in our finances, in pursuit of a more prosperous financial life. The third trap that entangles us in financial misunderstandings is the belief that all debt is harmful. Challenging this idea, the wealthy often have debts, and many of them. However, the crucial difference lies in the assets that support these considerable debts. Moreover, the rich not only have debts, but use them as tools to expand their wealth. The distinction between good debt and bad debt lies in understanding the reason behind them. Good debt is one that enriches us, such as loans to invest in properties or acquire equipment for a business. The fourth trap that many embrace as an illusory comfort is the belief that the government will take care of you in retirement. People delight in believing this fallacy, raising their hopes, but the truth is that we must take responsibility for our own financial security. Investing in financial education and planning for the future is crucial to achieving a comfortable and secure retirement. Money is a crucial aspect of our financial life, and relying solely on the government to ensure our financial security in old age is risky. The responsibility for our retirement is in our hands, not the government's. We must take control of our financial future rather than placing naive faith in government promises. Financial autonomy is essential on the journey to retirement, and the responsibility is ours. It's important to understand that money plays a significant role in various areas of our lives, contributing to our happiness and peace of mind. We must build a conscious relationship with money, understanding how it operates in our lives to make informed decisions. Furthermore, we must abandon the belief that money is the root of all evil. Although it is true that money is not the sole aspect of life, its importance is undeniable. We must understand that money can influence our lives in ways that we do not always fully comprehend, and this requires a more conscious and informed approach to money. Unfortunately, my poor father did not enjoy much happiness in his later days. While he believed that money was the solution to all problems, my wealthy father, the patriarch of my family, had a different view. He valued life and recognized the importance of money to sustain it, but he did not see it as the sole factor for happiness. For him, true wealth lay in finding a balance between financial resources and personal fulfillment. This perspective demystifies the belief that money is the root of all evil. In fact, money itself is neither good nor bad. Its influence lies in the choices we make and the priorities we set. Adopting a balanced approach to money may be the key to unlocking its true potential as a facilitator of a fulfilling life. A common trap is the belief that the rich are inherently evil. While some cases of corruption are associated with wealth, it is unfair to generalize morality based on bank balance. The true measure of a person goes beyond their bank account, and wealth can be used for good, contributing to society in meaningful ways. Another trap is the idea that higher education is always the solution to success. My poor father valued education as the path to securing a good job, but he constantly struggled financially and felt unsatisfied at work. On the other hand, my wealthy father, without a college degree, was incredibly successful financially. He used to say that school prepares us to be employees, but if we wish to thrive financially, we need to look beyond the academic grades. In short, unraveling these traps allows us to have a clearer vision about money and success. It's important to recognize that true wealth lies in finding a balance between financial resources, personal fulfillment, and contributing to the well-being of society. While one should not rely solely on formal education, this does not diminish the value of the basic knowledge acquired during the years of compulsory schooling. Formal education is essential for subsequent development. If you aspire to be a teacher, lawyer, or doctor, you will certainly need to go through university. However, it is crucial to recognize that often schools neglect teaching about finances and financial independence, especially in the Latin American educational system. Students are not trained to manage their finances independently. Instead, they are conditioned to work as employees rather than encouraged to be entrepreneurs and innovators. Therefore, it is imperative to expand our understanding of education, recognizing that it is not limited to formal classrooms. Seeking financial knowledge and developing entrepreneurial skills are equally essential for building a prosperous and fulfilling future. While we do not want to sound preachy, it is undeniable that financial success is often linked to the ability to face pressures and obstacles with a positive attitude, letting passion for work and goals motivate you to overcome any challenges that may arise. The key to overcoming these adversities is perseverance, and cultivating this mindset will inevitably result in wealth and personal success. It is important to distance ourselves from those who have the habit of victimizing themselves. It is crucial to understand that luck is not just a matter of chance. Luck happens when opportunity meets preparation. Those who complain and do not take action are missing out on the chance to shape their destinies. Expressing frustrations can be healthy to a certain extent, but focusing only on the negative is dangerous. We must cultivate a positive mindset and seek solutions to problems. Taking responsibility is not bad. In fact, it is essential to attract our own luck. No one can do it for us. When we realize that we are responsible for our own destiny, we begin to see things differently and create opportunities for success. Positive thinking is key, and my experience with Norman Vincent Peale confirmed this. He has a classic book on the subject entitled The Power of Positive Thinking. I even visited Dr. Peale's church in New York City and heard about this theme in his speeches. I remember that positive thinking is actually creative thinking. Being positive requires effort to creatively solve your situation. Thinking creatively means finding solutions easily for any obstacle that may arise on your path to success and financial prosperity. Being courageous doesn't mean absence of fear, but overcoming it. It implies the continuous pursuit of your goals. Never giving up is easy, and that's exactly what leads to failure. Not getting up after a fall is one thing, but persisting even in the face of challenges is another. Ordinary people have achieved incredible feats simply by being persistent and never giving up. Abraham Lincoln is a notable example of this courage. Self-confidence is a crucial element of courage that we all need to cultivate. Sometimes a push in the right direction is needed. Remember that fear can be overcome. Acknowledge your ability to be brave and determined to achieve success. That's already half the battle. So accelerate to the fullest, and the odds will be in your favor if you're facing great challenges. Great opportunities, challenges, and setbacks are part of the game. If you're not facing great challenges, opting for the easier way, it might not be as valuable and probably won't lead to great financial achievements. Sometimes, a big challenge signals a significant opportunity ready to be seized. Dedicating hard effort and persisting for a long time are essential ingredients for achieving important goals. Self-confidence is key on this journey. Feeling good about yourself, confident in your abilities and talents is crucial. Recognize the importance of confidence to maximize your potential daily. Don't let anything, not even yourself, undermine your confidence. Embrace the necessary pain to become who you want to be. Otherwise, you risk becoming something you'd rather avoid. In short, carve your own path. Don't follow the crowd. Persevere in your goals. Never give up, and avoid settling into the comfort zone. A complacent attitude leads nowhere. Be passionate about what you do. When you love what you do, it won't feel like work. Visualize yourself as a winner to keep focused in the right direction and nurture your belief in yourself. Remember that success doesn't come without effort and determination, so never give up. Luck, often misconceived as mere chance, indeed arises when preparation meets opportunity. This synthesis underscores the importance of readiness and awareness of potential openings in our lives. Each moment presents a canvas of possibilities, waiting for the stroke of our actions to manifest destiny. Expressing frustration serves as a release valve for pent-up emotions, yet it must be balanced with constructive action. Merely lamenting without taking steps towards resolution stagnates growth and perpetuates a cycle of discontent. It's in the crucible of adversity that the seeds of resilience and innovation germinate, paving the way for transformative change. Taking ownership of our circumstances empowers us to transcend limitations and chart our course towards fulfillment. Blazing trails requires audacity, the courage to confront fears and persevere amidst uncertainty. In the annals of history, countless luminaries like Abraham Lincoln epitomize the indomitable spirit that surmounts obstacles with unwavering resolve. Self-confidence, the bedrock of courage, fortifies our resolve in the face of adversity. It catalyzes action, propelling us beyond the confines of doubt towards the realm of possibility. Embracing discomfort as a catalyst for growth, we harness the crucible of challenge to forge our mettle and emerge as victors of circumstance. Yet, the journey towards self-actualization is not a solitary endeavor. It thrives on a tapestry of collective support and mentorship, wherein each individual contributes to the symphony of success. As we ascend the ladder of achievement, we must extend a helping hand to those treading a similar path, illuminating the way with our collective wisdom. The pursuit of greatness demands an unwavering commitment to excellence, transcending the allure of mediocrity. It beckons us to venture beyond the realms of comfort, daring to explore uncharted territories where greatness awaits. Through a symphony of perseverance, creativity, and self-belief, we sculpt our destinies into masterpieces of triumph. In essence, the journey towards success is not a destination, but a perpetual odyssey, a testament to the human spirit's resilience and capacity for transformation. As we navigate the ebbs and flows of life, let us heed the clarion call of possibility, emboldened by the conviction that our destinies lie within the crucible of our actions. As we continue our journey towards personal and financial fulfillment, it's essential to recognize that success is not just a destination, but rather an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. Along this winding path, we will encounter challenges that test our resilience, moments of doubt that make us question our own worth, and opportunities that require courage to seize to the fullest. However, it is during these moments of adversity that we are forged and shaped into stronger, more resilient versions of ourselves. Each challenge overcome is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become better prepared for future challenges. That's why we must embrace every obstacle as a chance to strengthen ourselves and become better than we were before. Self-confidence plays a pivotal role in this process. It's the unwavering belief in our own abilities and capabilities that allows us to face challenges head-on and persist even when the odds are against us. Cultivating this inner confidence is a journey in itself, but it's a journey worth taking, as it enables us to reach heights we never thought possible. Furthermore, we must remember that success is not a solitary endeavor. It is through collaboration and mutual support that we can truly reach our full potential. By building a solid support network and seeking out mentors who can guide us on our path, we are strengthening our foundation and increasing our chances of success. However, it's important to remember that success is not only measured in terms of material wealth or social status. While these may be important aspects of life, true success lies in personal fulfillment, a sense of purpose, and contribution contribution to the greater good. Therefore, we must always strive for a healthy balance between ambition and gratitude, remembering to value not only what we achieve but also who we are as individuals. As we move forward on our journey, we must always remember to remain humble, remain open to learning, and remain true to our values and principles. Only then can we truly achieve the fullness and success we seek. Ultimately, the path to success is a personal and unique journey, and each of us has the power to shape our own destiny. By embracing challenges, cultivating self-confidence, and seeking mutual support, we can transform our lives and leave a lasting legacy that inspires others to pursue their own dreams. The best will come. Continue your journey. I sincerely appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We are committed to personal growth and achieving ambitious goals together. By clicking the subscription button below, you'll join a community dedicated to achieving success. Together, we'll tread the path of success and unlock all the potential that lies within you. A big hug, and thank you once again for being part of this community. Until the next video.